What's up guys, it's Bailey and welcome back to another video of the Apple AirPods review after owning them for 2 years. If you don't know what the Apple AirPods are, they are earbuds that are wireless and connected via Bluetooth. I'll have to say that once you go wireless, you will never want to venture back to the wired earbuds. I wanted to follow up on how these AirPods are holding up after 2 years of use. They still hold their charge and the price has actually dropped slightly. If you don't know how these AirPods work, it's pretty simple. If you have an iPhone, all you have to do is open the case and the AirPods will automatically find your iOS device. However, if you have an Android phone, it will not be as simple, but it's still pretty easy to sync them with your device. You will do so like any other Bluetooth device by going into your Bluetooth settings and pairing the AirPods. The case itself is very sleek and glossy with one button on the back which is used for pairing. The AirPods are shaped like the wired ones that Apple sells, and they have a magnet when sliding the AirPods back into the case. The AirPods will give you about 4 to 5 hours of listening per charge, and if you need a quick charge, the case will give you about 3 hours of charge within 15 minutes of charging your AirPods. These AirPods have held up, and I thought that having to charge this device was going to be a hassle, but it has just entered my daily routine and I don't even think twice about it. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Like always, all the products I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description down below with the most up-to-date pricing if you wish to check them out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to thumbs up the video, and if you guys have any questions about this product, just comment it down below and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.